Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Connect your microphone before opening Garageband on your Mac. Connect a USB mic or a 3.5mm analog mic using a USB interface to your Mac. Then open Garageband and choose Voice or Empty Project at 44/100 Hz sample rate. Create a new audio track and set input channel to your mic. Monitor the input using headphones and enable the monitoring button. Set input level. Put on closed-back headphones and enable monitoring to prevent feedback during recording. Use a pop filter and keep the microphone at about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth for clarity. Record multiple takes and use 3 to 5 second lead-in count for consistent timing. Arm the track and press record when ready. Stop between phrases and breathe naturally to reduce unwanted noise and save editing time. Trim clips to remove silence and use the noise gate set around 3 to 6 dB threshold to clean background noise. Apply light compression with a 2 to 3 ratio and 3 to 10 millisecond attack for natural dynamics. Add equalization. Cut below 100 Hz to remove rumble and boost between 2 kHz and 5 kHz for vocal presence. Use subtle reverb or delay for space. Then export as WAV or AAC at 44/100 Hz with your chosen bit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.